I don't want to run anymore. Oh, can I take a sip of water? Oh, I'm missing some coins. Come on.
It's easier
Oh no!
to move the water if you raise your knees up high.
No! I hate mud.
Press in on the ring con as you breathe out. Press in harder on the ring con. Nice improvement. One less.
One left.
Right on.
My core! I have a beautiful core. Okay, let's do this.
Feel it in your stomach when you breathe out.
Come on, hurry up, hurry up. Yes. I'm not dying. I'm alive and kicking. I might sound like I'm dying, but I'm alive and kicking. Okay. I'm not gonna turn into a dying Bulbasaur.
Keep it up.
I'm running out of water. Okay, after the stage, I'm due for today. Definitely. Oh, I need a shower. Oh. Nice on standby. Is it like the upper stomach abs? Or is it like lower stomach? I think it's the upper stomach, right? Abs. Like right below my chest? There we go. Yeah, okay. I don't know where the abs are.
Wait a minute.
What do you say a little exercising before your body cools down? Yeah, oh yeah, okay, let's stretch. Let's just stretch.
Stretch slowly and do your best not to bounce.
What does bounce mean? What do you mean by bouncing?
Bend your left knee and bring your ankle up behind you.
Up behind me.
Pull your knee backward and stretch the front of your thigh.
My thigh hurts! Ah. I can't! My balance! Ah.
Now do the same on the opposite side.
Now I'm bouncing.
Join your hands together in front of you. Position your glutes as if you're going to sit down.
My glutes?
Then
What's my
stretch your hands
glutes?
forward.
Where are my glutes? I've never heard of that word before. Gluteus maximus. Where's my glutes? I don't know.
Now do the same on the opposite side.
I only know gluten-free. Gluten-free pasta.
Be careful.
Yuppie. Turn your training into regular habit. The alarm will notify you when it's time to train, even during sleep mode. What? No, I don't. Why are they gonna alarm me to play more? Play this daily. Press. No, I'm not gonna set my alarm. That was fun. A lot of exercise. But you guys said this is like baby mode. Am I a baby? Papa? Wanna hear me crush my empty plastic water bottle? Here we go. Yeah! I feel the power. There we go. Yeah! Flat as a pancake. The fruit of my efforts today. Bye, IRyS.